Hey guys, y'all remember me? You see what I got right here? I have a pedal. We're finna check it out and see what it sounds like. They say you can use this as an interface, but I'm not gonna use it as an interface, right? I'm literally about to record with it. It looks crazy, right? That looks cool, don't it? Like that look cool, don't it? That might be the thumbnail. Auto-tune in a box, baby. Shit, it's kind of heavy. So let me connect it and then we're gonna record with it, see what all we can do with it. Ain't got nothing on it. Just me in the tune. So like, watch it. Let's see. I ain't even did nothing. Watch it right now. Look. I'm too tired, baby. What you talking about? I'm too tired, baby. What you talking about? I'm too tired, baby. What they talking about? I'm too tired, baby. What they talking about? Oh, buddy, hit the floor. Yeah, buddy hit the floor. Buddy, the body hit the floor. Oh yeah. I'm too tight to turn down. Boy, I'm too tight to turn down. Boy, I'm too tight to turn down. Boy, I'm too tight to turn down. Buddy, yeah, turn out of tune. Oh, turn out of tune. Oh, turn it back on. Gang, turn it back on. We can turn it down if you want to. We can turn it back down. As you see the pedal, right? So we're gonna walk through it, right? So the auto tune is not on right now, as you see. So it's very simple to use. We see volume, we got speed, we got the preset, we got the key, auto tune, harmony, effects, and we have humanize right here. Then we have how we like move through the pedal. And we got the talk, and we got the AB, we go up and down, everything like that, right? Then on the back, we got like the gain and everything. So if I needed to change the key and the scale, I just click key, and it'll bring me to like the key and the scale. So like if I need to go up and turn that right there, I could turn that. If I needed to change the scale to minor, if I don't want to change the range, I can change the range, you know, so we could do all of that. So, and then if we need to go back, we just hit preset. So we can see it's on hard tune. If I go up, it's warm tune. Up, soft tune. You see what I'm saying? It's different effects. We just keep going up. We can go up. You see what I'm saying? Then I need to go down. You see what I'm saying? Click. See, it's go all the way up to 250. So I can put presets in here for days. Alright. So now I gotta put it back because the beat that I got in FL Studio is C minor. So all I gotta do is just go over here, hit that, and go to minor, hit that. So now we good, right? So we good on the tune. Now we can adjust our speed. I'm gonna leave it at 0. If we need it humanized, we can make it sound more human. Harmony. So, see that? Turn harmony on. If we hold it, now we can sit here and adjust our harmonies. If we want to change any of the ones we got, we can go and click that. We can turn it on. That one, two, whatever. Like, and then we hit preset, go back, and then turn it off. And the cool thing that I see is this right here. So now if I hold that, now we got reverb, delay, flavor, and chorus. Alright, so let's turn it on. Let's click on that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chamber. Yeah. So we feel like a lot of verb. Like, this is kind of crazy, honestly, if you think about it. Because, like, we really can do a lot of things. Let's turn it on. So, delay. So, it could be like ping pong. Yeah. So now it's gonna be real important for you to know. Your timing. Like you know, timing. That's gonna be important. That's gonna be important. That's gonna be important now. Flavor. You know what I'm talking about? Telephone effect. Phone effect. Radio effect. Right. Sizzle. Let's sizzle. little soft lo-fi, you know, 2 megaphone phone box. We click on that, then we can like dial that back if we want, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bruh. Like, come on, bruh. Like, if I want to turn it off, basically it's off. And then, right, yeah, I go back. See, I gotta learn how to use the pedal, right? Like, this is crazy. Then chorus, right? Yeah. Turn it on. Yeah. I ain't really getting that effect. So let's see. Turn it back on to preset. Hold on. Chord. Oh man. It ain't gonna let me change the chorus, yo? Y'all ain't gonna let me change the chorus? Ah man, that's crazy. Yeah, so it's stuck on basic. So chorus. So turn it back on. There it go. There it go. So that works. So basically that's it. So I just want to record with it so we can see like what's going on. Alright. You see my audio track coming in right here on 4. There's no plugins nowhere on 4. Alright. Let's go. Let's get it. So I'm finna play the beat a little bit. Let's record some. Tune on. Yeah, baby, yeah. Why you wanna play like that for real? Why you wanna play like that? Why you wanna play with my heart for real? Why you wanna play with my heart? Why you wanna play with my heart for real? Why you wanna play with my heart? Why you wanna play with my heart for real? Baby, you know what it is. I got feelings. Baby, you know what it is. Girl, I got feelings for you. Girl, I got feelings for you. You know what it is. Girl, know what it is. Yeah. I got feelings for you. 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 Girl, I got feelings for you. Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I got feelings, I got feelings for you. I got feelings, 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 for you. Baby, you know. Yeah, girl, you know. Yeah, girl, you know. Yeah. You know, I got feelings for you. 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 Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings. I got nope. I got feelings for you. I got feelings. I got feelings. Baby girl, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. 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 That was a quick little run with the pedal. So now I'm finna actually try to record a hook that sounds good. I'm not gonna use any plugins. I'm just gonna mess around with the pedal some more. So I kind of like those ideas, like I got feelings. So I'm gonna delete that, and now let's just see what it's like to like actually like record with it, because I like being able to have the tune, and it's not like, even with it being all the way on 0, you know what I'm saying? Like, even with it being on 0, it's not even like crazy, right? You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna put it back in minor, right? So now let's get ready to record the whole shit. Yeah, 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 yeah. The harmonies go crazy in and out with the harmonies. Yeah. Girl, you know I got feelings. Girl, you know that I got feelings. Yeah. Yeah, how to get them? Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Let's bring that down. Let's bring that down. Let's see. Play that. Let's see. Let's see how they go. I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Okay, alright. So I ain't even tripping on that. That's cool for the time being. I ain't set up no vocal chain with it, anything. Girl, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I know this. So I think maybe like, girl, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 So I'm gonna bring that down, right? Bring it down. Girl, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Alright, so we finna go to megaphone. Maybe phone, right? No. Radio. Does radio sound better? Radio. Yeah, we'll do radio, right? So we do radio. And then we'll go to chords. And then we'll click on chords. And then we'll turn it up. And then we go in and record. Let's see. Girl, I got feelings. I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. Let's see. Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. I want you forever and ever. I got it. Record it back. Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 That shit crazy. Girl, I got feelings got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 It's crazy though. I like, you know what I'm saying? This is crazy. I like it. I like it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? I know, like. Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Girl, I got feelings for you. I got feelings for you. I know that you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I know you feeling me. I'm feeling you too. I want you forever and ever. 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 Forever and ever. Like, that's crazy. I like the pedal. I like it. Like, it sounds good though. Like, it ain't, you know, like, it's crazy how they put this in a pedal, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, this is crazy. I'm definitely gonna use this a lot. I ain't even playing. I'm definitely using this a lot. I want you forever and ever. So that's one. So or if we change it to octave, I want you forever and ever. That's crazy. I like that. Or I want you forever and ever. Then turn it like I want you forever and ever. See, like, it's so crazy how it sounds. You know what I'm saying?